Hello class, how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So students, welcome once again to your computer class. I, Achal Singh, welcoming you all once again to your computer class. So class, in the last session we had discussed the last topic that we had discussed, that how to add line numbers in paragraph for proofreading. Okay, so the next topic that I'm going to start in today's session is, we have done adding the line numbers and removing line numbers. So today I'm going to begin with the topic that is creating a newspaper column. How you can create a newspaper column. Okay, so you all must have seen the newspaper or read the newspaper, right? आप सबने न्यूज़पेपर देखा होगा, पढ़ा भी होगा. So जब the general typing we do in the Microsoft Word, that is different from the newspaper column. Okay, जो newspaper में जो column आता है, that is quite different from the general topic that we discuss. So how you can create a newspaper column by using the Microsoft Word. So before discussing the steps, how we can create a document, or sorry, we can create we can convert a document into a newspaper column. So first thing that you need to know, that what is the use of this creating a newspaper column. So let's read it about it. This feature is used to display the text in the form of the column, as you must have seen in the newspaper. Creating column is useful in documents such as newsletters and the brochures. The steps to apply newspaper columns are. So this creating a newspaper column is basically is useful in the case of the newsletters and the brochures. Okay. So if you want to, suppose you want to print a brochure, okay, about your new shop, आप किसी अपनी new shop के लिए new brochure या newspaper में ad देना चाहते हो, but you wanted it on in your own way. So in spite of going to a cafe or a cafeteria to get a brochure or a newspaper layout in your as your desired form, you can create it yourself by using the by using this, that okay, in the this option, that is the creating a newspaper column. So how you can create a newspaper column? So for this I'm just showing you the picture. So first of all, I'm opening a document. So this document is open in front of you. So the first that you need to go here, that is the page layout. Go on the option that is the page layout. Okay, then click on the option, this is given over here, columns. Okay, so in how many columns do you want that your text should be represented in the newspaper? Okay, so before that, okay, I just want to make some changes. Okay, so I'm just increasing its size, its margins. Okay, so now from the home we are going to the page layout, go to the columns. Okay, click here. So you want your document in how many column? 1 2 3, left or right? Okay, so I'm dividing it into two. Suppose I just want this in the 2 columns, so I'll click here. Okay, so now your document is in the 2 forms. Okay, again if you click, again go to column, and you want your document in the 3 column. Okay, so now it is, you can see now it is divided into 3, 1 2, and this is 3. So this is the 3 column, okay, of your document. Next, if again let's change the size. Okay, if you want it on the right side, so everything will be on the right side of the Word document. Everything is on the right side of the Word document. Okay, similarly on the left one as well. Okay, so This is the left, so now it is on the left side. So this is how you can create a newspaper column according to your design needs. Okay, chaliye, I'm moving to the one. Okay, so this is how you can give a designed form to your newspaper column. So if you want to print a brochure or something else, okay, so you can create a newspaper column or a brochure when you buy your own ways. Okay, chaliye, moving to the next topic. Okay, so after creating a newspaper column, the next option is to create a table. So how we are going to create a table, okay, or how we can create a table, this is the next topic. So first of all, we will read that why we need to create a table and how we can create a table. So we can create a table. So the first question is why we need to create a table. You use tables to arrange all or parts of your document in the column and the rows. The table option inbuilt in the MS Word program is a useful formatting tool which allows you to easily insert rows and columns. Okay, so this is a very important option and a very useful option. Okay, so suppose you want to represent some data in the rows and the column form. Okay, so in that case you can create a table and insert all the options into it. Okay, so the table in the MS Word consists of a grid of boxes arranged in rows and columns. Okay, sorry, the tables in the MS Word consist of grid of boxes arranged in rows and columns. So what lacked a spreadsheet? These tables can be customized and are useful for various tasks such as presenting textual information, numerical data. You can create a blank table and apply a variety of styles and formats to the existing tables, right? So we can create the table according to the rows and the columns that we require. Okay, so I'll just show you with the help of the practical here. Okay, so first of all, for creating a table you need to go, okay, so first of all select the location you want to. Okay, so now the insertion point is blinking here, तो यहीं पे हमारा table बनेगा. Okay, so wherever the insertion point will be there, only there you can create a table. So first of all you need to go here on the insert option. So we are going to insert a table, okay, by using the insert. And then you can see here the option that is table. Go to this and select the number of rows and columns you want. Okay, so suppose you want 5 columns and 6 rows. Okay, तो आपको दिख रहा है here you can also see on the top जहाँ पे insert table लिखा है. So as you move your cursor, so it is showing that how many rows and columns you have selected. Okay, so I have selected 5 into 5. As I click here, so now the rows and columns that are in front of you. You can easily see these rows and columns in front of you. So now you can put as many number as you want or whatever the data you want. Okay, so you can change its color by clicking here. Okay, आप इसे color वगैरह भी change कर सकते हो. Okay, so there are certain options that you can follow by using this. Okay, so जो आप select करोगे उसके accordingly your columns will be changed, right? Okay, next, so now this is how, so again how you can insert a column. So first again I'm showing you, go to in the insert option in your MS Word window. Okay, go to first of all and then go to table, then go to table. Okay, so this is the option that is available just below the insert tab. Okay, now go to the table, click here. Now after clicking the table you will see an option that is of insert table. Okay, so from here you can easily change the, so you can easily add the number of number of rows and columns you want. Okay, so you can have as many in rows and columns you want. So click on table and click on the number of columns and the rows you want. So this is one as I have selected. From here you can change the design. Okay, so this is this is how easily you can create the rows and columns. So this is the topic that we had discussed. So you creating a table. So this is a very easy concept that you can create a table in the MS Word. Next is entering text in the table. Entering text in table. So how you can insert a text in the table. Again I'm opening the document. So now for entering any text in the table, click on that particular column. So जिस column में आप select करोगे, that column is selected. So here I'm writing name. So here I'm going to write the name, class, okay, roll number, then click here, name, class, roll number, section, okay, name, class, roll number, section, and father's name. Okay, so as you all can see, so this is the certain things that you can see. Okay, this is how you can insert. So okay, यहाँ पे आप जो भी चाहो नाम दे सकते हो, whatever you want to give, you can easily put it here. Okay, so click on this. Okay, so click on the cell wherever you want to insert the text. तो आप जितने भी cells यहाँ पे या rows या columns बने हुए इसमें जिस भी cell में you want to type the text, you can type it just by clicking on the cell. Okay, that doesn't mean that it will move in the row wise or the serial order. Okay, it doesn't mean that. Okay, it can be up, it can be down, it can be on the right side, it can be on the left side, it can be anywhere. But simply you have to do, the thing that you need to do is you have to click on the cell, okay, where you want to enter the text. Clear? This is how we enter the text in the Word doc. This is how we enter the a table and insert the text in a Word document. So again I'm showing you one more time. Okay, so now if you want to insert any table, so first of all you have to select the appropriate location where you want to insert the table. So जहाँ भी आपको table insert करना है, so first of all you need to select the appropriate table. So click on insert option, go to insert, click on table. Now click on the option that is on how many rows and columns you want. So I just want it in the 5 rows and columns. So select it. Now the column is there in front of you. Now while clicking on the cell, आप किसी भी cell में कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. So I'm just writing my own name here. Okay. Okay, so I just want something here. So I'm writing it here. So all you can see, I just want to use different cells. Okay, मैं अलग अलग cell use करना चाहती हूँ, so I'm using it. So that is up to me how I use this. So this is how also you can insert a table into the Word document. Okay, from here you can change its style. आप इसका style change कर सकते हो. Okay, so next is, okay, so this is from the topic that is entering the text in the table. Next is deleting a table. So how you can delete a table? So for that, again I'll go to the window that I have opened. Click on the layout tab. So click on the layout tab. This is given over here. Click here. Then whatever you want to insert a row or column, you want to insert below, you want to insert on the left, or you want to insert on the right. These are the options that you can use for inserting the row or column. Next, this is the delete. So if you click on this option that is known as delete tabs, so all the table will be deleted, and along with that whatever the content I have written, just इस table के अंदर जितना भी मैंने content लिखा है, that will also get deleted very easily. Okay, so for that you have to click on, okay, so suppose you're on a home button. First of all you have to click on layout. Okay, go to layout. From here the insert below above uske. Okay, if you want to insert one more row, okay, insert below. If you want to insert a row below, if you want to insert a column or the left and the right side, you can do it from here. Next is delete. So when we can select the option of deleting, you want to delete the row cell, you want to delete the column, you want to delete the row, you want to delete the table. So cell, column, row, table, so whatever you want to delete, you can select it from here. Suppose I want to delete cell. Okay, so sorry, I want to delete the entire column, so I'm deleting entire column. Okay, I just want to delete, okay, column. The column is deleted, so जहाँ पे भी आपका insertion point रहेगा, that column will be deleted. Okay, if I click on delete table, the complete table is deleted and the content that was written into it is also deleted. Okay, so now for this, what you have to do is you have to click on, first of all you need to insert the table. Go to insert, go to table, click okay here. So now you can make changes. Then go to okay, so you want to change the layout, you want to insert the text, or you want to delete that complete table, or आप कोई पे particular row या column delete करना चाहते हो, you can do it from here. Go to layout option, click on delete cell. Okay, so whatever the cell you will select, that will be deleted. Okay, the next is delete row. You want to delete the row. Just a minute, why didn't we delete row? Okay, so now you can see the row is deleted. Okay, 5 से कितनी रह गई, 3 row रहेगी. Okay, you want to delete the column, you can delete it from here. Okay, the column is deleted. So this is how you can delete. So you can enter a text in a table, or you can delete a table. Okay, coming back to the book. So this is okay, so it is given over here. So coming back to the book, so today we discussed about the 3 topics, that is creating a table, how you can create a table in the Word document. Next we discussed is entering text in the table, how to create a table. So this is creating a table. Second, how to enter a text in the table. तो आप उस टेबल में text कैसे insert करेंगे, this was the second thing that we had done. Now deleting a table, how you can delete a table. Okay, so if you want, if you remember that you have made a wrong table, और आपने कोई गलत टैब लिख दिया है, या गलत कोई सेल लिख दिया है, या गलत रो बना दी है, you can delete at the complete row or column or the table. Okay, so this depends upon you. So whatever method you want to use, you can use it. Clear? This is known as delete tabs. Okay, the next topic that we are having in the topic, okay, is okay, now it's a update your knowledge. Tables can be customized and are useful for various tasks, such as presenting textual information and numerical data. You can create a blank table and apply a variety of styles and formats for the existing tables. So देखिए, these tables are basically very important if you want to represent any textual information or any numerical data. Okay, so for getting a new table, you have to click on the option Alt N plus T plus I. Okay, and for to draw a table, you need to Alt plus N plus T plus D. For insert, you will use I, and for drawing, you will use the option D. Okay, so this is from the topic, that is deleting a table. Next is selecting cells in table. So that we will do in the next session. Okay, so we have already discussed the 3 topics in the today's session. So rest we will do in the next session. So for today, I'm just ending the session here only, class. So I'll see you again very soon in our next session. So till then, everybody, have a great day ahead.